Everyone, today I'm working on a Whirlpool dishwasher here. I would like to show you something real quick. This dishwasher is not draining water, so I traced the problem. I found out these stuff into the drain system right there, and also when I came out to the air gap, I found out these stuff right here, the whole nasty stuff that was inside this hose right here. This hose is connected to this link of this is your dishwasher drain line connected here, and then this one is the extension that connect your air gap to your garbage disposal